And welcome in, everybody. Glad you're with us. Diamond Dynasty Baseball on tap tonight. It's Atlanta taking on Washington. Just about set to go now. And starting this one, Kerry Wood. Always a treat to watch one of the best starters in the sport, Singing.
Power pitcher. He's going to speed you up with the fastball velocity, and out of his hand will explode the breaking ball. Very difficult for hitters to keep that front side closed and hit the ball the other way, because they know if they're not ready to pull the trigger, the fastball will beat them.
Profar gets a piece there. On the outside corner, got him looking. And now it's Juan Soto. Oh, can't pick it up cleanly. Here's the tag, and he's out.
Hey, man, 4 pitches, 2 outs. That is an excellent pace.
2 outs, base is empty. And here comes Ozzie Albies to the dish. Just missed.
I think it's very important to establish the inside part of the plate early. Sets the tone for the rest of the game.
On the ground, Marte fires to first on the run. It's there, and that's a great play. Here's the third baseman, Chipper Jones. And there's a foul ball. Yamamoto, 26 years old, and he was born in Japan. Headed towards the corner. And it stays fair. And it's a double to start the bottom of the first.
Couldn't have timed it up any better than that. Really good swing right there. He got a pitch that he knew he could handle. Allowed himself to stay back just a tad bit longer, and he hit the ball on the screws.
Man at second. Swing and a miss. Struck him out. Not what you're looking for after the leadoff double. A strikeout, and there's one away. Fought off foul. That misses, and it's 1-1.
Boog, here's a note on Yamamoto. He won 3 straight Sawamura Awards, the Japanese equivalent of the Cy Young Award, and the last 3 Pacific League Most Valuable Player Awards, which is the first MVP three-peat since Ichiro Suzuki.
Spoils that one, and it remains 2-2. Jones, the runner at second with 1 away. Ripped to short, and there's 2 down.
Out.
Here's Trout, and he's the home run leader on this team, Singy. And a foul ball. Off the mark there. And 1-1.
I got a ball, 1 strike.
Now ball miss.
That's inside.
And that's fouled off. No score yet, but a runner at third with 2 away. Ripped on a line. Reaching down, makes the catch. And we're back. Top of the second. And now the first baseman, Matt Olson. That one fouled off. And now the 0-1. late on that fastball.
Cold night tonight, Boog, and that's a pretty firm fastball right there. I tell you what, memories of getting jammed, they are creeping into my mind right now.
Digging in is the switch hitting outfielder, Carlos Beltran. Up the middle, that's a hit. Man at first with one gone, and here comes Sander Bogarts. That one at triple digits. And that is out of play. Swings through it, and that's a strikeout. Bo Bichette gets a chance to hit. First pitch just misses.
When you're taking your lead over there at first, you got to be very careful. This guy on the mound's got a good pickoff move.
A swing and a miss, and that's strike one. Two gone, but the go-ahead run is at first. Here at the top of the second.
Well, triple digits on the gun. I know there are more pitchers that can reach that now than in the past, but it's still impressive to watch.
Now all even up. Runner on the go. Pitch inside. Throw, save. That's a stolen base. Runner at second, 2 down. The other way. That's a base hit coming home. He'll score. Hung up in a rundown now, and they tag him out. Back here at Coors Field, ready to go for the last half of the inning. Here's the second baseman, Ketel Marte. Bounding ball here, rolls foul. And that one popped in the air, left field. Profar drifts towards it, squeezes it, and there's one away. And here's the first baseman, Gil Hodges. This is a guy you got to keep an eye on when he digs in. Definitely been known to drop a drag bunt from time to time, and he's pretty good at it, Chris.
Yeah, and he creates a sense of urgency for the defense because of the speed, because of the ability to put down that bunt.
Base hit. That was smoked through the infield. So they get a man aboard with a one-out single.
Well, clearly he was ready to hit right there. I know that was a ground ball, but it was absolutely hammered through the infield. That's not one you're excited to get in front of if you're an infielder. You know they used to say, charge it. Crazy.
Tying run is at first. Bottom half of inning number 2. And he grounds one back up the middle. Oh, great stop. There's one to first, not in time. Great effort there. And now it's going to be Ted Simmons. And the first pitch misses for ball 1. Seager leads off first with 2 down to the inning. Just missed. Comebacker to the mound. They get the force. That's the 3rd out. Inning over. Back here in Denver, top half of the 3rd inning, and the batter will be the shortstop, Cedar Rafaela. Check swing, and he went 0-1.
0-1's the count.
Greedy.
0-1.
Olson high.
And a swing and a miss.
1 ball, 2 strikes.
The shortstop takes the ball.
2 balls, 2 strikes.
Foul ball, another 2-2 upcoming.
Good zip on that fastball at the bottom of the zone. If he's there all day, it's going to be a tough one for the hitters.
missed. Down on strikes. Make it 4 strikeouts for him on the bump today. And the batter now, Drake Baldwin. And it's fouled away. Check swing. Did he go? Yes, he did.
No balls, 2 strikes.
No way.
Tried to hold up on the 0-2. Now a look down to third. And no swing, says Joe McDonald. Swing and a ground ball. Chipper fires to first. First 2 batters retired here in the top of the third. Now batting Jurickson Profar. Struck out looking his first time. Profar gets a piece there. Sharp grounder. That's through for a base hit. And that keeps the inning going.
Seems like he got exactly what he was looking for right there. Pretty tough for the infielders to do anything with that one. He pulled it hard into the outfield, and even when you keep it on the ground, it feels great when you hit a missile like that.
Foul ball there. 2 outs. That one to first, and it gets by him. And they hold him at third. 90 feet away with 2 out.
Really nice job of 2-strike hitting in that at bat. Turned on it nicely. Definitely a little out in front of the pitch, but he didn't hook around it too much and was able to keep it fair down the line.
Albies stands in with 2 away as he takes a ball. Swing and a miss, and 1-0-2 on the radar gun. Here's the pitch. Runner on the go. And fouled off. And the pitch. Fights that one away. Still 1-2. 2 on, 2 outs. Runner goes again. Swing and a miss. That one in the dirt. And they get out of the jam. Well done to finish off the strikeout at end the inning. As we go to the last of the third, here's Yordan Alvarez.
Well, Boog, the story's been told that Yamamoto's bag of tricks is an actual bag that he carries around. Inside the bag, he keeps a yoga mat, wooden blocks, tiny soccer balls, and mini javelins. He uses all of that just for his warm-up routine.
Just missed.
Yamamoto's warm-up includes doing headstands and walking on his palms. He uses blocks to work on body positioning, hurls mini soccer balls into a wall to warm up his arm, and then heads to the field to throw mini javelins. I don't think anyone else is stealing his pregame routine.
Now this one is hammered way back there. On its way and gone. And we are tied. And we're level. It's 1-1. And here is Chipper Jones. Swinging a foul straight back. The 0-1.
Always exciting to see a leadoff home run in an inning. Kind of gets the offense fired up, and you start to expect a big inning.
Misses off the plate. And that is ball 1. Good eye right there.
Well, he's not afraid to fall into a 2-strike count. Knows the strike zone very well. So much so that I think umpires will look at him and determine whether it's a ball or strike, if he swings or not.
Here's Juan Soto. He's 0 for 1. Delivers a pitch in for a strike at 95.
0-1.
Swing and a high fly ball right field. That one back, that one on its way, and it's gone. He sends it out of here. It's their second home run of the inning, and it gives them the lead in the third. It's 2-1. Beltran stands in here. Tried to hold back his swing there, but went around. Next offering is in for a strike. And that just misses.
Really good take, especially with 2 strikes.
Swings and misses. That K is his 3rd of the game. Now Trout gets a chance to hit. Just missed.
Counts 1-0.
Swing and a ground ball up the middle, and that one finds its way through. So he gets on base and keeps it going.
Okay.
Everything came together for him. Really nice job staying up the middle with his approach. He didn't try to do too much with the pitch, just shot it through the infield.
Marte in the box here, lets that one go for a ball. Swings and misses, and a count 1-1.
2 balls, 1 strike.
Squirts away a little bit. Trout, the runner at first with 2 gone. That one drilled left field. And the inning is over. And welcome back to the ballpark. New inning getting started. Matt Olson up to the plate. Wood back to work. And a foul ball.
You know, this group of hitters just lacking discipline at the plate in this ball game. They're chasing a lot of pitches outside the zone, and those chases that are turning into a bunch of outs. Can they turn that around and stay within the zone? We'll see, but I think they have to.
That misses the zone, and the count is 1-2.
Well, after putting up a nice inning on offense, got some runs across, this is where you look for the starter to go out there, have a shutdown inning. Don't give that other team any hope. You just hope that he can get through this inning, get the bats back up there while they're hot.
And now the center fielder, Carlos Beltran. A bit behind with that swing. It's strike 1.
These hitters have been very aggressive early in the count, but when you're down, you might want to be a little more patient. Take some pitches, see if you can extend those at bats and get some base runners on.
One down, base is empty. Fights that one away, and the count remains 0-2. Makes the grab, and there's 2 down. And here is Xander Bogaerts.
3-pitch strikeout last time up. Got to put up more of a fight in this one.
And there's a foul ball. Bogaerts, just 21 years old. Usually a shortstop, but today starts at third. Strike on the outside corner, and it's 0-2.
One thing he has to remember is that he does not have to cover as much ground. So those balls to his left, remember that you.
That's strike 3 and the 3rd out. So we take a break. Bottom 4, and the batter now, Gil Hodges. Ground ball to the right side, and that's just foul. And a foul ball. Breaking ball misses down and away.
Well, that's kind of what you expect in an 0-2 count. Excellent job of the hitter to have the plate discipline to lay off of that pitch.
That one the other way. Puts it away for the out. So now it's Corey Seager. You talk about a guy that has all the skills. The range is really good, but the arm just stands out, and he makes all the plays. And the first pitch fastball is in for a strike.
And because of that big power arm, he's able to play a little bit deeper, make throws from the outfield grass all the way across the diamond, and still get a pretty good runner. That's impressive.
And there's a breaking ball that drops in there.
1 ball, 2 strikes.
And now 2-2. Hard hit left side. Sends it to first. Already 2 gone here in the home 4th. And here's the catcher, Ted Simmons. That pitch gets the corner. Strike 1. Just off the inside edge.
Good fastball there. I think it was a purpose pitch. Just want to make that hitter's feet uncomfortable. And that location will definitely do it.
Next offering in the dirt. 2-1. And a curve is down and in.
He hasn't fallen behind in the count like this all day. He's in danger of walking his first batter right here.
And it's through for a hit. And that extends the inning.
I'm sure he feels really good about that one. I really like that swing, man. He didn't just push it the other way through the infield. He drove it that way, and it kind of makes me think he was thinking opposite field as he stepped into the box. Got a pitch he liked, and he got it done.
Called strike right there. Foul ball. It stays 0-2. Simmons off of first with 2 away. Next pitch misses way outside. And that one is lifted in the air. Beltran settles under this one. That is the inning. We go to the top of the 5th. Now it's the DH, Bo Bichette. And downstairs.
Well, these guys, as this game goes on, have to be more disciplined at the plate. They've been chasing pitches outside the zone all game, and it's led to some frustrating moments. They've been fooled quite a bit today.
Swing and a miss as he was out front.
I got a ball, 1 strike.
Outside.
Nope. Outside. Full count.
Swings and misses, struck him out. And now the shortstop, Ceddanne Rafaela. He was a strikeout victim his first time. Late with the swing there.
Well, he's been incredibly efficient in this one. First pitch strike percentage over 70%. That's well above league average, and that's what's allowed him to pitch well up until this point.
0-2 now. Fans another, and that's 3 straight strikeouts. Next to hit, Drake Baldwin. And first offering is fouled off. Ripped on the ground to second. Tosses to first, and it's a 1-2-3 inning. We head to the bottom of the 5th, and now Chipper Jones. In the air, out towards left center. And there's 1 away. Juan Soto now. He's already homered here in this one. And first offering is fouled off. 1 out, base is empty. That clips the corner. Gets a piece and stays alive. And that skips in the dirt.
2 strikes.
Foul ball, still a 1-2 count. One down, base is empty. This ball's chopped on the ground. Whips it to first on the run. And they get the out. Here's the center fielder, Carlos Beltran. Swings through the fastball up in the zone.
Oh, he's got to be pretty proud of this outing so far. Sometimes guys cower coming into a ballpark like this, but he has attacked hitters.
Oh, now this one's blasted deep to left. Way back there, on its way and out of here. And they tack on to their lead. It's 3-1. And now batting Mike Trout. That one inside, ball 1. And that one fouled off. 2 down, nobody on. Late on that fastball.
Well, he just threw that fastball by him, elevated, and if you're not looking up in that location, very difficult to catch up to, especially with that velocity.
There's a swing and a drive. And it gets into the corner, but it's foul. 2 outs. And down on strikes he goes. He's notched 4 strikeouts now. All right, we go to the top half of inning number 6. Now the left fielder, Jurickson Profar. Gets a piece, and it stays 0-2. And a swing and a miss. That's his 9th strikeout so far. Juan Soto digs in now. 1 for 2. One on the guns. Swing and a miss.
I'm impressed by the number of first pitch strikes. He's not afraid of contact. Some guys, they'll nibble just because they don't want to get hit hard. That's not what we're seeing here.
Swing and a miss. That one at 99. And the count 1-2.
Well, I think the key, I mean, if he can get through one more inning, anything after that, a hitter or 2 is bonus, but they should be lined up good enough to get to the finish line.
Beltran pulls it down. 2 down. Here is Ozzie Albies up to hit. 0 for 2 in this one. Slashed foul down the right side. That'll hook off into the seats. Cut on and missed at 101. And the count is 0-2. And that's in the dirt. Swing and a miss and a changeup in the dirt. On to first. That completes the strikeout. Inning over. An outstanding hitter in Ketel Marte. Breaking ball misses down and away.
Ball 1, no strikes.
And that's a fair ball. And it gets by him. Now he'll turn for second. And he's going to get to second with nobody out.
All over that one right there. He smashed that ball the other way and kept it fair down.
Garrett Whitlock takes over on the mound.
And we all know about his slider. It's just filthy, man. And one of the better ones in the game, I'd say. Spin rate's very high, and it just breaks a ton. Well, these players, simply put, are producing a lot of quality swings. They have 5 extra base hits on the stat sheet so far, and
that one ripped left field. It's a ball. The 2-run shot. It's 5-1. Now it's Corey Seager. That one pushed foul out of play off to the left. The 0-1. He swings and fouls one off.
With all those extra base hits, it's easy to think we're going to see that trend continue the rest of the game. They seem to be really locked in at the plate.
Hacks and misses. It's a strikeout. And now Ted Simmons. Ground ball left side and foul ball. Smoked on the ground a second. In plenty of time to first. And there are 2 down. 2 down, base is empty. Now it's Yordan Alvarez. Swing at a high fly ball left field. Profar settles underneath it. Corrals it. And that is that. Back here at Coors Field, here's Matt Olson. Wood back to work. Drilled out towards left center field. That's well struck. Soto makes the play. 1 up, 1 down. Carlos Beltran, the next to hit. Makes the grab, and there's 2 gone.
Nothing you can do about those as a hitter. Even though you know that, they still drive you absolutely crazy.
Bogarts up to the plate for the 3rd time as he looks at 1 down low. Swing and a miss. Blew it by him at 99.
1 ball, 1
so
strike.
Impressive how the velo is still there even this deep into the outing.
They've got a potent lineup, and when you think about teams capable of rallying from this kind of deficit, they're right at the top of the list. Two down, nobody on. High fly ball lifted in the air, right field. Trout settles under it, makes the catch, inning over. And we're back. Now the third baseman, Chipper Jones. And first offering is fouled off. Fouled off left side. Stays alive. Started to swing, held up. Up the middle, Rafaela tosses to first, and they get the out on Jones. So digging in, Juan Soto. And that one is inside. That misses. Ball 2.
2-0 count. You really don't want to give in here. You got to work the edges, really execute a pitch. Hopefully you can get back into this count.
Kenley Jansen into the game. He has a great slider with tons of movement. Swing and a ball driven pretty well out towards left center. Profar makes the play. 2 up, 2 down. 2 outs, base is empty. Digging in is the switch hitting outfielder, Carlos Beltran. That misses, and that's ball 1. Foul ball. Jansen fires. Swing and a high fly ball out towards right center field. Beltran makes the grab, and that's the inning. Ready to begin the 8th, and now Bo Bichette. And a weak ground ball to the left side. Chipper fires to first. One up, one down. Now it's the shortstop, Ceddanne Rafaela. Swing and a miss as he was late that time. Base is empty, one away, and we're in the top of the 8th. Keeps the at-bat going with a foul ball. One down, base is empty. Foul ball, still 0-2. Out towards right center. That's well struck. He won't get there. That should be extra bases. Trout hustles it back in, and they hold him at second. Maybe. This is going to be the moment they start the comeback. One out, runner at second. Drake Baldwin getting ready to hit. Swings through that.
0-1.
Just a slow ground ball this time. Takes it to the bag, steps on first, and it's out number 2.
Deceptive slider right there. Stayed in the tunnel a long time. Got that hitter out front, rolled over it, put it on the ground.
Profar gets a piece there. 2 outs. Out to short. Seager zips it across. Profar is out, and that is the inning. Back here in Denver, and now the right fielder, Mike Trout. Right side, hard hit. The throw to first, and a quick out, number 1. Ketel Marte up to the plate. 1 for 3. And first offering is fouled off. Swing and a foul out of play. On a line out towards center. Beltran hauls it in, and there's 2 away. 2 down, base is empty. Now it's going to be Gil Hodges. He's already homered in this game. Hit hard on the ground to short. Throws across the diamond. 3 up, 3 down. All set for the start of the inning. Now at the plate, Juan Soto. Hard grounder into the outfield for a knock. And the leadoff man aboard.
Didn't take long to get a result for that at bat. Wasn't able to elevate that one, but he sure hit it hard enough to get through the infield. There's not a whole lot of time for the defenders to react and try to make a play when it's ripped like that. This is one of those situations the infielders have to
Runner takes off. So the foul ball makes it 1-2. Soto on at first. Nobody out. Runner on the go again. Fouls it off. Still 1-2. Pitch out, but no action.
Three and 2.
Nobody out. Runner at first. Right back to the mound. Could be an easy 2. Over to Seager. Throw to first, but he beat it. And the batter now, Matt Olson. 0 for 3 with 2 flyouts and a strikeout. Misses outside. Ball 1. Just missed. Man at first, 1 away. Fouls one off. 2-2. Here's the pitch. Runner goes. Got him swinging. No throw, safe at second. So it's their last chance in this one. Carlos Beltran now at the plate. Ball one there. And that'll do it. 5-1.
Okay. One more thing. Это ваша шаурма.
Here in Milwaukee, the show brings you Diamond Dynasty Baseball. It's Cincinnati going up against Atlanta. And we'll be back with the first pitch right after this. Francisco Lindor comes up to the plate. That one ripped. Stretches out and hauls it in.
Sometimes you want to be aggressive early in the at-bat. He was right there. Hard line out. First pitch of the inning. No reward, but, hey, you got to keep swinging it.
Mickey Mantle, the next to hit, takes ball one. Ripped to short. And a couple of quick outs. 2 outs, base is empty. Here's Ketel Marte. Got it started a little too early. Strike one. Pop foul out of play off to the right. 2 outs, base is empty. Backed off the plate that time. And a pop-up right side, foul territory. Catcher tosses the mask, settles under it, pulls it down, and he makes the catch. Now it's the switch hitting outfielder, Jurickson Profar. One gone, bottom half of the first. Here's Juan Soto.
The right fielder, Juan Soto.
Swing and a miss, strike one.
He's going to have to make sure that he stays patient because he is the focal point in that lineup. They're going to pitch him tough. They're going to pitch around him. And when he doesn't see other guys doing anything, what you can do is become a little too aggressive and chase out of the zone.
1 ball, 2 strikes, the count.
Man, that got him square in the mask. Cuts and misses. It's a strikeout. 2 down, bases empty. Ozzie Albies up to the plate. Just missed. And that's pushed foul off to the left and out of play. Judge under it. Brings it in for the 3rd out. Back here in Milwaukee. And now the switch hitting catcher, Cal Raleigh. That one at triple digits.
Well, that's today's style of baseball right there, right? Big time velo on the bump and big time pop at the plate. You know, Raleigh made history in 2023. He had a game with 2 home runs and 6 RBIs, becoming the first catcher in Mariners history to do that.
Got him. 1 away. Anthony Santander at the plate. Swing and a miss, and he got him to chase.
Speaking of dingers, he's the 2nd fastest to 50 home runs in Seattle history. Only A-Rod needed fewer games.
1 out, bases empty. Strike 3, and that's 2 in a row. Here's Aaron Judge at the dish. His 2024 season, ridiculous. He became the first player in this one high and deep, way back there. And it's gone. That one felt good, and that gives him a lead. It's 1-0. Shohei Ohtani now at the plate as he swings through strike 1. Swing and a miss, and 102 on the radar gun. Ripped on the ground to second. Slings to first. That's out number 3. Back here at American Family Field, bottom of the 2nd. And now the first baseman, Matt Olson. Ohtani back to work. Tapped at the plate, but it's a foul ball. All right, Singy, you know I'm a dork. Shohei Ohtani, go back to May 5th, 2022 at Fenway Park. He tossed a complete game through 99 pitches. Get this, 81 strikes. It was the most strikes thrown with less than 100 pitches in a game since they started tracking pitch counts.
That's just unreal.
And there's a base hit. So a man aboard now with 1 away.
Waste no time there. Let that pitch get pretty deep on him. So I think he was looking to go the other way. It was off speed and inside, though. So a good adjustment to shoot it back up the middle.
Here's Bogarts now. Lindor, that's 1. Double play. What a... And welcome back to the ballpark. On to the 3rd inning. Vladimir Guerrero Jr. now. Ball 1 on a pitch inside. Vladimir Guerrero Jr., that swing so reminiscent of his dad. Lots of pop. And another ball.
No strike.
Now 3-0.
That was absolute gas. Triple digits on the gun. It's just a different experience as a hitter watching that go by.
Swing and a miss. That one at 101.
Count full.
Spoils the 2-strike pitch, and he'll see another. Glad swings, drives one deep left field. Profar going back, pulls it in on the warning track. So up next, Chase Headley. And first offering is fouled off. And the lefty kicks, delivers. Inside, just missed. Swing and a ground ball out to short. Fires in time. And now it's Frankie Lindor. He's 0 for 1. Swing and a miss. It's 0-1.
0-1's the count.
Yeah, that's fouled off. That's hard hit on the line. Profar makes the play, and that'll do it. Set for the bottom of the third, and now the DH, Bobichette. Check swing, and he went 0-1.
You know, this group of hitters, as you probably noticed, haven't been shy at the plate at all. In fact, they've probably been too aggressive at times. I'm specifically talking about the first pitch. These batters are swinging more than 80% of the time, which is fine if you're scoring runs, but that hasn't been the case today.
To third, Headley. Fires over to first. Leadoff man retired here in the third. Ceddanne Rafaela will hit next. And that one fouled off. One down, base is empty. Fought off foul. Strikes him out with 101. Now here is Drake Baldwin. Swing and a miss as he was late.
0-1's the count.
Comes up empty. That's strike 2.
You know, Boog, every team has a hitters meeting pregame, but this lineup seems way too anxious, aggressive. You wonder what they talked about.
And that is the third out of the inning. As we go to the top of the fourth. And now here is Mickey Mantle. And there's a strike.
Something I'm noticing in this one is that these hitters are aggressive early in the count. It makes you wonder if that was talked about in the hitters meeting before this game started.
That one at triple digits.
Threw that fastball right by him, slightly elevated. That's a confidence boost for this guy out there on the mound. See if he continues to climb the ladder.
An outstanding hitter in Ketel Marte. And that is out of play. Base is empty, one away. Top half of inning number 4. Rips that one center field. Beltran makes the grab on the run. 2 outs, base is empty. Next to hit, Cal Raleigh. And that one hammered back there. Reaching for it and brings it in. Bottom of the fourth. Here's the switch hitting left fielder Jurickson Profar. Reaching down, makes the catch. Now the number 2 hitter, Juan Soto, struck out swinging his first time. Swung on, belted. And a foul ball. Fouled off. He was late. Home team down a run. We're here in the bottom of the fourth. Fights that one away, and the count remains 0-2. And it's fouled off. They'll do it again. That one ripped left field. That's back there. Gone! Deep Dog's got to eat. And this game is tied. It's 1-1. So it's all tied up thanks to the home run. Here is Ozzie Albies up to hit.
0-1's the count.
This one smoked on its way out of here. They do it again. Back-to-back homers. And just like that, they're out front. It's 2-1. Olsen, the batter now, as he swings and misses for strike one. Off the mark there. And now it's even 1-1. That's a strike. Still only one out here in the inning. Knocks that one away, and we'll do it again. Swings and misses on the fastball up in the zone for the strikeout. 2 down, bases empty. Carlos Beltran digs in now, and he blows that one by him at 100. Beltran tries to check his swing. Now a look to third, and he held up. Next pitch is outside.
If you're going to miss, you want to miss outside the zone. When you miss inside the zone, it's trouble.
Mantle moving under this one. Makes the catch. And that ends the inning. Ready now for the 5th inning. Now the left fielder, Anthony Santander. Pulls that one foul.
Well, these guys just aren't putting together very many good at-bats in this one. Just one base runner to this point, and it's not exactly early anymore. They have guys in this lineup capable of sparking something, but it just hasn't happened for them yet.
See ya! Strikes him out for the 2nd time today. Here is Aaron Judge. Check swing went around. That's strike one.
Well, the offense has gotten going, and a pitcher wants to go out there, have a real quick inning, get those guys back into the dugout so those bats can stay hot.
1 down, base is empty. Way high.
2 balls, 1 strike.
And that's downstairs and outside.
A rare 3-ball count here. He's been throwing strikes all day. Got to be ready to hit if you're in the box.
Swing and a line drive. That's a base hit into center field. And they have their first base runner since the 2nd inning.
Everything was on time and fluid in that swing. Got a pitch you could get the barrel on and lined it into center for the knock. Those always feel good. And now let's see if they force some action with good wheels on the bases.
Late on that fastball.
This is one of those situations defensively where you can't try to do too much. You got to make sure that you field the ball cleanly and get 1 out first. It's going to be tough to get 2 with this kind of speed in the batter's box.
And a swing and a miss. Now 5 strikeouts for him on the mound. Here's Vladimir Guerrero Jr. Fly to left his first time. This one in the air. Bogarts. He makes the grab, and that is that.
That is that.
Back here in Milwaukee, here's Xander Bogaerts. Ohtani back to work. Bounding ball here, rolls foul. On to first.
Got him.
And the leadoff hitter retired in the fifth. Bo Bichette up to the dish. Grounded out his first time up. Cut on and missed at 101. And that's strike one. On the ground. Oh, great stop. From his knees, the throw.
Oh.
And that's a great play for the out. Ceddanne Rafaela, the next to hit. His first at bat was a strikeout. Swing and a pop-up. Foul out of play off to the right side. That'll find the stands. 2 down, nobody on. Last half of inning number 5. Out to short, and that one finds its way through.
He kind of rolled over on this pitch a little bit, but he got enough behind it to shoot it through for a knock, and you'll take that anytime you can get him to find a hole. And now they've got some speed on first, so we'll see if they try to get him into motion.
That one pushed to the left and foul. And a foul ball, he stays alive. In the air, center field. Mantle in position. And that'll do it. And we're back. Top 6. And now it's switch hitting third baseman Chase Headley. And the first offering a fastball for a strike. That one in there across the letters.
Good pitch to hit on a tee up in the zone. I think he was looking for something else right there.
Swings over the splitter for strike 3. Here's Francisco Lindor. 0 for 2 in this one. On the ground to third. Lindor retired.
I believe we talk about how the ball is coming out of a pitcher's hand. The way it comes out of his hand as an infielder. Wow, really impressive.
Mantle stands in now and watches strike 1. Swing and a miss, and that's strike 2.
And it really looks like these hitters have been in between with their timing today. Good fastball, excellent slider, but they've not been able to commit to one velocity and stay there.
That's down and in. A slider missed.
2-2 the count.
Cut on and missed. Struck him out. Back here at American Family Field. Here's Profar now. And ball 1. And right back to the mound. Gets it to first. Profar is out. Juan Soto getting ready to hit. He's already homered here in this one. Swing and a miss, and 102 on the radar gun. They say it went.
Well, on the mound, very efficient, able to produce an outcome, it seems like, within the third or fourth pitch of just about every at bat.
That one almost got him. Right side, Guerrero. He steps on the bag. 2 up, 2 down. 2 out, space is empty. Ozzie Albies will hit next. Check swing, but he went too far. And it's 0-1.
0-1's the count.
Swing and a miss at 96. Struck him out. And good work there as he gets a top of inning number 7. Ketel Marte up to the plate. Here's a rocket to right field. And there's one down.
Man, that's so frustrating. You hit the ball hard. You understand the situation. You want to get on base and try to score that tying run, but no reward right there, and just going to have to sit on it.
Raleigh, batting with one down, takes a strike.
Seems like the hitters are struggling with their timing today. Kind of caught in between that sharp fastball and the nasty slider. I'd like to see him settle on a consistent pitch.
Slice to right, lays out and makes the play. Here's the left fielder, Anthony Santander. First pitch swinging.
When a guy's throwing a lot of first pitch strikes as a hitter, you got to be ready to hit. Now, that's not going to help you get deep into his pitch count and into the bullpen, but you got to take what he's offering that day.
And a base hit right there.
Man, those are the types of hits where you don't feel any vibration in your hands whatsoever. Such a good feeling. Showed a willingness to drive that pitch the opposite way. Didn't get jumpy, didn't try to pull the ball. He let it get deep, took the barrel right to it, and then extended through the swing for the line drive base hit.
Holding on to a one-run lead here in the top half of inning number 7. Ripped towards third. They take the force out, and that will end the inning. Bottom of the inning, and here's the first baseman, Matt Olson. There's a swing and a miss. Mizorowski, 22 years old, and he was a second-round pick in 2022.
0-2.
Oh.
And they'll do it again. And it finds its way through for a hit. So a runner aboard to start the inning.
Still able to come through behind in the count right there. Good piece of hitting, going the other way with that pitch to beat the shift. You know, not a lot of guys are willing to do that, even with the shift on, because they're looking to pull the ball with authority. But it's a pretty easy hit if you want it.
Late swing, foul to the left. Mantle, long run, can't get to it. Safely into second. He's got a double.
No way.